Let's talk about the CSS background. CSS has many background properties, and some of them are the background color, where you can add the color in the background. And to insert the image, we can use the background image properties. And another one is the background repeat, where you can repeat these properties in a horizontal way or in a vertical way. And another one is the background attachment. We can make the attachment in a fixed position or in a scrollable position. And then another one is the background position, that is the top right corner or button, or you can say the left, right, top button. Okay. And another one is the background certain properties, where you can use these certain properties to assign the color value and the image and the repeat and then position it at once. We do not write to the properties of all these things in a different way. So we can just use the background property and we can put it inside the the one property. So let's go into Visual Studio Code and let's start our coding, and let's explore this all of this example. Now I'm in Visual Studio Code. Let's create another file here by pressing this new file options and see it as background and the background.css. And inside this CSS background.css, I can just write here body element. Inside the body element, first of all, I want to show the background color, and I want to put the background color as the blue color. Okay. And first of all, I want to go into the index.html file, and inside this file, I want to link this CSS from here, and I can give the name as CSS background.css. And if I press on the go live option, now you can see this is the background as the blue color. Okay. If I again go into the Visual Studio Code and I want to add some more properties here, I want to just cancel this CSS color and CSS head and index.css file here. And I want to add some more values here, more property, that the background image. If I want to add the background image here, then I can just write here the / background image. Then first of all, write the URL, and inside the URL / and then the image. Just you can put the image into this folder, and you can use this image from here. And if I again go to the browser, now my image is displaying here. And if I want to make the only one image display on the browser, then I can do these things by again using the background size properties here. And background size, I can give the cover, COVER cover. And if I again go into here, now this is only one image displaying here. And I want to comment this part from here by pressing the Ctrl+K+C. After that, I want to show you background repeat properties here. And if I want to write the repeat X properties from here, then the image will repeat in a horizontal way. And if I type here the repeat Y, then the image will repeat in a vertical way. And if I want to make the background attachment properties from here, then I can put it in a fixed position or in a scrollable position. If I put it in a fixed position, then it won't scroll this image. Otherwise, it will scroll. Okay. If I write here the scroll, SCROLL scroll here, SCROLL scroll, and if I write some more text here, then image will give the scrollable page here. Okay. It will convert into the scrollable page. So now I can use here the background, another property, that is background position. And background position, I can write it here the top right top corner. Okay. I write the right top. And if I go to here into the browser, now we can see my images goes into the right side. So if I want to make all these things at once, then I can again put into the comment section here by pressing the Ctrl+K+C. Okay. Ctrl+K+C. And after this, just press the Ctrl+K+C. And after this, I can use the body element from here, and I can put only the background property. Inside the background property, I can make the color as if I want to make the blue color, then I can just write S0000 FF. And after that, I can just write the URL and image name as demo.jpg. And after this image, I don't want to repeat my image here, then just write the REPEAT, repeat, no repeat. No repeat property here. Outside the braces. Okay. I'm sorry. No repeat. And after that, I can write here the position as the right top position. And if I even go to the browser, now you can see this is my background color and my image is the right top corner. So in this way, you can use these certain properties, and also you can use the different properties of the background, that is the background color, background image, background size, background repeat, background attachment, and background position. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.